Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Lubox's channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to improve your microphone quality. This helps when your microphone glitches, like the other person cannot hear you. So let me show you how to fix it. So first you click sound from system in settings. So you click sound. Then you could see input. It's like right there, right below output. Then you could click microphone, and this shows like the quality of the microphone. Shows the quality of the microphone, and this shows like the volume, like how loud your microphone could be. And you could test your microphone by pressing start, and you can improve your microphone quality by putting device default effects. So yeah, that's all guys. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends. Thank you guys. Bye.